In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional CV using Canva in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. First, head over to Canva's website and use the search bar at the top. Type CV and hit enter. You'll see a wide range of ready-made templates designed by professionals. Pick one that matches your style, whether it's modern, minimalist, or creative. Once you've chosen a template, click Customize this template to start editing. Canva's drag and drop tools make it super easy to adjust fonts, colors, layouts, and graphics. Add your name, contact details, education, work experience, skills, and certifications. Keep everything clear, professional, and tailored to the job you're applying for. When you're done, proofread your CV carefully and then download it as a PDF, perfect for sending to employers while keeping the formatting intact. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a polished, professional CV ready to impress. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick Canva tips.